At different times, devotees find themselves feeling isolated and not knowing where to connect. How can we reach out to give each other support and spiritual strength and create activities that meet the needs of the devotees? Very good point. So actually, this question is leading to the next point. Like when that situation like that arises, what should we do? At different times, devotees find themselves feeling isolated and not knowing where to go and where to connect. They kind of get drifted away. And just consider, so many devotees have drifted away. It's a fortunate soul. Out of millions and millions of individuals, one becomes a devotee of Krishna. Now, after getting this very, very rare opportunity, when one accepts Krishna consciousness and maintains, practices the process, then why should we allow them to go away? Okay, due to force of circumstances, they have been in a difficult situation. Now, what are we going to do about that? The first thing I will suggest that the sincere, concerned and involved devotees should get together and make a plan. How we are going to bring them back? How we are going to help them? That is what I will suggest. Make a program. Okay, they are kind of very, very busy. Make some program. Like, request them, just as I am seeing Kardama Muni Prabhu. He is coming and although he is very busy, he is worshipping the deities in the temple. And this engagement will keep them enthused. So we should create opportunities like that for the devotees. We can also have some get-together, like on Saturdays, like the other day we had a kirtan in the evening and so many of you came. And if we continue to have such programs and inspire the devotees, then I'm sure they will feel encouraged, they will feel enlivened. And you can also form a committee, a counseling, who will counsel and advise and help. And our mood should be, how can we bring those devotees back? Point came up very distinctly, very clearly, that at the end of Bhagavad Gita, what Krishna is saying, that those who distribute this message to the people around and bring them close to me, they are the dearest ones. They are most intimately connected to me. No one is more dear than them. So this is how happy Krishna becomes when we bring the living entities back to Him. Now what to speak of those who came to Krishna and drifted away? The possibility of their coming back to Krishna is so much greater. And the effort can be so much easier to do that. When Satsarup Maharaj was in Boston, was the president of Boston, he was going out to make programs in the universities. And Prabhupada wrote to him, no, you emphasize, you put your effort to cultivate the devotees and train the devotees, those who are already in the temple. Not that those who have come close, now we neglect them and go out. What's the point in going out and making new devotees when we are not taking care of our old devotees at home? So we have to recognize that our first and foremost consideration, first and foremost responsibility is to take care of the devotees, those who are already there. We have to take care of them. And we must maintain help them to maintain their Krishna consciousness to the best of our ability.